This is the best Binance referral code video for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Binance is the #1 trusted crypto exchange in the world. Your first crypto journey with Binance Exchange should be started with a special referral code. Probably you came here after seeing the referral ID option. Tap on yes and must enter this unique referral ID RVLCZAA3. After that, you will get multiple benefits. As soon as you open the account, you will get a welcome bonus of up to $600, which will help you pay the trading fees. It is very helpful for new traders. Also, for creating the account with this special referral code, you will get up to 20% trading fee cashback for lifetime, which will benefit you your whole life. After entering the referral code, you can complete your verification process with your national identity card in a few simple steps. The verification process will take a few hours. Once your verification is complete, you can start your trading journey. Thank you.